Welcome, welcome, welcome back to Cooking with ENT. Cooking with TNE. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, ENT gang? What's up? That's what's going on. What's going on with the ENT gang, baby? This is Sunday for me, and I am going to do something a little special, a little different. I am doing zucchini, shrimp, pesto with pesto. That's my sauce is gonna be pesto. So let's get started. Let's get started. Anyway, this is it. This is how it look. If y'all can see it. And then I made some zucchini, fried zucchini. Okay. So let's get started. I'm gonna get what I want off of here. It smells good. I added some shredded carrots, some portobello mushrooms, some garlic, and that's it. That is it. Let me get some of these portobellos. All right, I got some green onions to top off in here. And then I didn't get a steam for the pesto. That's okay. It's all good. I'm gonna be the only one eating it anyway. So we're gonna mix that up in there real good. I love pesto. I did a video on it, so I showed y'all how to make it. It's real simple, easy, no time at all, no time. As long as you got a food processor, you straight. This smells so good. And I made enough too. I'm gonna freeze some. Let me not use that right there. I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna try to use these chopsticks. We're gonna see, is this gonna be an epic fail or what? Okay. Let's see what it do. Oh, okay. Mmm. Hmm. Baby, you talking about something packed with flavor? That pesto is off the chain. That's the best one I ever made right there. Oh my Lord. Hmm. Mm. Hmm. 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 I could sell that right there. Mm-mm. This right here is slamming. Huh. This turned out to be really, 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 really delicious. I like the spaghetti, zucchini, really a lot. But it's a lot of hard work. Because you have to just twist it and twist it and twist it and twist it. And then when you get down to the seed, you really need to just cut that off. Mm, mm, mm. Give me a shrimp. You know, it's like something that makes you smile. mm, mm, mm. This him, right here. I guess I be saying that about everything I be cooking. But this here pesto, if it was nasty before I added the pesto onto it, I'm here to tell you, the pesto murdered it. It gave it new life and everything. I'm gonna try it without the pesto. Since I'm the only one gonna eat this, I can do this. Okay, let me drink a little water too. Thank you, water. Okay. Uh-oh. No, it actually tastes very, very well without the pesto. It got a good flavor to it on its own. But the pesto, it revamped its career. I got up early and did the pesto video. And I turned around and cooked this because I wanted the zucchini pasta. Well, zucchini spaghetti. But this is going to be my lunch and my dinner tonight. Mm. Mm. I'm back in my happy place. Mm. You want to take your time with it. So you can just taste everything that's floating around on that shrimp. That pesto, it's the best pesto I done made. His got stopped up. I'm not bleeping that out. It's what happens when you suffer with sinuses. Sometimes you have to pop your ears. I see y'all done Rappers putting their 2 cents in about Kanye West. Somehow, some way. Just make sure he get his meds. Crunch it up in some coffee. Get him a whole cake, a wheezy cake. But make sure he get it. That's it. There's nothing else to talk about. He's a mad genius with special needs. Well, y'all, I'm getting full. You know it don't take much for me. I have gotten some good deals on some seafood. So y'all gonna see some seafood mukbangs going down. Mm, mm, mm. Thank you, Roy. That was so good. Okay. What I want y'all to do is to like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that hit that bell, and share. Come back to this page. Tell people about this page. Get us out there. Because we're working hard, baby. We're working hard. So, thank y'all for coming back. Cooking with E and T. Cooking with T and E. Peace.